Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is the smoothing cream. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this moisturizer. It claims it is a weightless moisturizer that provides 48 hours hydration. The ingredients it has grapeseed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and it has mallow, which mallow is an ingredient that provides natural moisturizing and soothing properties. And it has lactic acid, which helps hydrate the skin. And it's also paraben free and dermatologist tested. It retails for $20 and it's available at Sephora. This is the moisturizer. So now I am going to open it. So as I'm opening it, I am applying some on my hands. So this is how it looks like, the moisturizer. So I am going to blend it in, and by me blending the product in, I could feel that the formula is thick. My honest opinions about this Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. The first thing I like about is that the formula is thick and it provides hydration to the skin. It definitely got rid of the dryness that's on my skin, and I definitely see my skin hydrated and plump, which is amazing. And I also love the fact that it's dermatologist tested. For first impression, this Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream did an amazing job. It provides hydration, getting rid of the dryness that's on my skin. Definitely like it, and I love the fact that it's safe for all skin types, normal, dry, and combination skin. I also love the fact that the scent is not strong, it is lightly scented. And I also love the fact that it's dermatologist tested, and it has lactic acid, which helps your skin get rid of acne, which is amazing. I just really like it. It is so good. Like, they come in different sizes, and this is the little one that it retails for $20, and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this skincare. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.